Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can create an iOS app for your e-commerce site. Let's say you have a website like this. Now once you create this site, you can easily convert this entire site into a mobile app like this, which works on both iOS and Android. And anyone who's visiting your app will be able to add the product to the cart and then purchase it right from your app. Once you create an app for your e-commerce site, your store will be available on both app and website at the same time. And your customers will be able to order from any place of their choice. You don't need to buy a separate hosting as it will be hosted on the same server where your site is hosted right now. The orders you get from the app can automatically be seen on your website and you can process the orders from there. All the products you add to your site will automatically be added to your app also. So you just have all the controls in one single place and you need to maintain just one platform instead of making changes on multiple platforms. We'll also see how you can customize your app's design and icons. And finally, we'll see how you can launch it on the App Store like this, where your customers can install the app. Okay, now to launch our iOS app in the App Store, we are going to do three parts. The first part is to create the app.
Now this is the site which is going to help us create the iOS app for our e-commerce website. So let's click Start. I'm going to create my account using my Google account. So let's click here. Here, select your Google account and click Build App. Now here, you need to enter the details about your site. So first, to enter our site address, let's go to our site. Now copy this and paste it here. Next, you need to select the platform you used to create your site. I built my site using WordPress, so I'm going to let it as WordPress. If you're using the WooCommerce plugin, enable this. Next, give a name for your app. I'm going to enter Next Casuals, then click Build App. And it will take you to the dashboard of App My Site. Here, you can see the preview of the app and icon. Okay. Now we have successfully created our account. Once you have created your account, we can now go to step 2, which is to change the look of your app to how you want. So to change the look of your app, make sure you're on the Appearance tab. And from here, we can start customizing our app. First, let's customize the app icon. This is the icon which we will click to open our app. Now we can customize our app icon in two ways. First way, to just choose the color and text of your app icon, which will look like this. So let's click here and select the color you want. You can see here the color has been changed. Next, enter the text you want for this icon. And here you can change the font style and size. So in the same way, you can choose the color and the text you want for your icon. Okay. Now the second way is to use your logo as your app icon. To do that, just click Upload. We need to resize our logo to this size. So to resize it, just open a new tab. Go to resizeimage.net and it will take you to this page. This is the page which will let us resize the logo image. So to resize the image, just click Upload an image and select your logo. Click here. As you can see, our logo has been added. Now to resize this image, just disable this option and then enter the dimension which is shown here. Once you have entered this, choose Auto Mode. Now, if you click Resize Image, our image will be resized to the required dimensions. So to download it, just click Download Image. Now to upload this, let's go back here. Click here. Select the logo which we have resized now. Then click Crop and Save. And you can see that we have got an app icon with our logo. So just click Next. And here we can set our launch screen image. Now this is the image which will appear when someone launches their app. Again, I want to keep my logo on the launch screen. So just click here. And like we did before, you need to resize the logo to this size and then upload it. Once you have resized the image, just click here. Select the image. And then click here. Then click Crop and Save. Okay, once you have set your launch screen, just click Next. And here we can design a login and sign up page. And this is the page which will let our customers to sign into their account. So here, if you want to change this background color, you can just click here and select the color you want. Or if you want to add a background image, just click here and upload any image you want. Now before you upload, make sure you resize the image to this size. Next here, if you want to change this text, just click here and enter the text you want. Now I want to add my logo here, so just click here. Now I'm going to upload my logo which I have already resized. As you can see, we have got our logo. Now scroll down and here you can change the color of the font and buttons. Click next. Now here, you can choose the overall theme for the app. I'm going to let it as red and click next. Now finally, we can customize our home screen. So now this is the home page which will appear after signing in. So you can just scroll down and see how our home screen looks like. Now these are the sections which are arranged here one by one. So first, let's set the main banner on the home screen. In this image, you can promote any product or about any offers and discounts. So to set the banner image, just click Settings and then click here. Now click Upload. Now make sure you resize the image you want to upload to this size. Select the file you want to upload and click Open. Now click Crop and Save, then click Done. And as you can see, we have got a banner image. Next, if you want to rearrange any section, you can just click here and drag it to wherever you want. Now if you want to remove any section, just click here and the section will be removed. Once you have done all the changes, click Save. And now, we have successfully changed the look of our app. Once you have changed the look of your app, we can now go to step 3 of creating the app, which is to connect our site with the app. Once you have connected your site with the app, you will be able to access your site from the app. So to connect it, go to Connectivity and click Install Plugin. Then click Go to My Site. Now it will take you to this page. So just click Install and click Activate. As you can see, we have successfully installed the plugin. Once you have installed the plugin, just go here and click Verify. Next, we need to connect our WooCommerce plugin. So to do that, just click here, enable this, then click Go to My Site. Now it will take you to this page. Here, just enter the app name. I'm going to enter Next Casuals and here, change the permission to read or write. Then click Generate API Key and you will get these key details which we need to paste it here. Just go here. So just copy this and paste it here. Next, copy this and then paste it here. And click Verify. So now we have successfully connected our site with the app. Once you have connected with the app, you will be able to access your site from the app and check how your app is working. So to check it, just click here. Now click Allow. And as you can see, we have got the login and sign up page. Let's skip this. And as you can see, we have got the home screen. You can see the banner image we have set. And if you scroll down, we have got the same products as our website. And here you can see that we have got the categories. Now let's open this category. Now let's try buying a product from our app. So just open a product and click Add to Cart. Now click View Cart. Then click Checkout. Now fill in these details and click Continue. Now select a payment method and then pay for order. And as you can see, we have now successfully placed the order from our app.
So this is how your customers can place orders from your app. Okay, now once they place the order, how will you know that you have got an order? Now when someone places an order, you will get the order details on WordPress. So to see the order details on WordPress, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard.
Go to WooCommerce and click Orders. You can see that we have got the same order here. Now if we click here, you can again see the order details. So this is how you will receive new orders from your customers. And once you get an order like this, you can go ahead and deliver the product to your customer. Okay, so now we have successfully created the app and it is ready to use. Once you have created the app, we can now go to part 2 of this tutorial, which is to download the app. So to download the app, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to purchase a plan on App My Site. So to do that, let's click this tab. So to purchase the plan, just click download here. And you can see we have both Android and the iOS platform. As we are creating our app for iOS, let's click proceed here. Now here, you can choose the plan based on your need. The first 2 plans are not available for iOS. I'm going to select this plan. So let's click get started. Here, just fill up these details. I'm going to use my card. So let's click here. Enter the card details. Then click save card. So now we have successfully purchased a plan on App My Site. Once you have purchased the plan, just click My Apps. And you can see our app, which we have created now. Let's open it. Here, click on Download App. Select iOS app. Now, if you want to download the app for the Android platform, just click here. And then click Download APK. And it will be downloaded. You can install it on any Android device to use it. And if you want to know how to publish the app on Play Store, you can watch this video. Now, as we are creating our app for iOS, click Build iOS App. Now here, you need to connect to your Apple developer account.
So next, we can go to step 2, which is to create an Apple developer account. Now to publish your app on the App Store, we need an Apple developer account. Now if you already have an account, you can go to step 3. But if you don't have the account, just continue watching this video. So to create the account, you need to have an iOS device with 2-step authentication enabled. Once you have got that, we can start creating the account. So to create it, let's go to the App Store on your iPhone.
Now click the search icon and search for Apple Developer. Now click Get and click Install. Once the app is installed, click Open. Now go to Account tab. Click Enroll Now. And you will get the Apple Developer Agreement. Once you have read the agreement, click Agree. And again click Agree to confirm it. Now click Continue. Again click Continue. Here select Individual. And then click Continue. Now again we will get another agreement form. So just scroll down. Click Agree. And confirm it. Next, we need to purchase the annual membership subscription to get the Apple developer account. So let's click here and make the payment. Once you have made the payment, you will receive an email verification from Apple to verify your identity. So if you go to our inbox, you can see that we have received an email. So let's open it. And as you can see, we have got the verification email. So this is where you need to add your government ID and your details to verify your identity. Now to verify, first we need to upload a government ID in this link. So let's open it. Now you can provide any government ID like your driving license or an Aadhaar card. I'm going to add my Aadhaar ID. So let's click Browse. Select the file. Then click Open. Now at the back side, again click Browse. And select the back side. Then click Open. And once you've uploaded the files, click Continue. And go back here. Now to complete the verification, we need to send these details as a reply to this email. So just click Reply. Now let's enter those details. And click Send. Now after 2 days, we will receive the confirmation email. So if we go to our inbox after 2 days, you can see that we have received an email. Let's open it. And as you can see, we are successfully enrolled as an Apple developer.
Once you have